You're about to throw away the most powerful sleep aid in your kitchen. Every morning, millions of people over 40 toss banana peels straight into the trash, discarding nature's most concentrated source of sleep-promoting minerals. If you're struggling with restless sleep, midnight leg cramps, or waking up exhausted, the solution isn't in expensive supplements. It's in that yellow peel you've been throwing away your entire life. Tonight, I'll show you how to turn that discarded peel into a tea that triggers irreversible changes in your nervous system and muscle recovery. People who start this ritual report deeper sleep within 3 days, and after 2 weeks, chronic leg cramps often disappear completely. The best part? This costs nothing because you're using something you already buy. But first, you need to understand exactly what's hiding inside that peel. 3 specific compounds that most people have never heard of. Yet they're more powerful than expensive sleep supplements. Nutritional powerhouse. What's inside a banana peel? A single banana peel contains 3 times more magnesium than the fruit itself. While you're eating the banana for potassium, you're throwing away the highest concentration of sleep-promoting minerals. The peel contains magnesium, nature's muscle relaxant, that calms your nervous system and prevents painful nighttime cramps. Most people over 40 are severely magnesium deficient without knowing it. The peel's concentrated potassium works specifically on muscle cells, helping them release tension and repair during sleep. It's overnight muscle therapy that happens naturally. Banana peels also contain tryptophan, the same compound that makes you sleepy after eating turkey. Boiling extracts this into a natural sleep cocktail that works with your body's chemistry. The fiber releases compounds that support gut health. Since 90% of serotonin is produced in your gut, this directly impacts your sleep cycle. You're feeding the bacteria that help you feel calm and rested. Most importantly, the peel contains antioxidants that repair cellular damage, especially the accelerated damage after age 40. These compounds supercharge your body's natural repair mode during sleep. Now here's what most people don't realize. There's a specific biological reason why this tea becomes absolutely essential after age 40, and it has to do with a hidden process that's stealing your muscle mass every single night. Why age 40 is the turning point for this habit? Something changes in your body around age 40 that makes this banana peel tea incredibly powerful. Your magnesium absorption drops significantly, causing more muscle cramps, restless sleep, and morning stiffness. Your kidneys become less efficient at retaining magnesium, so you're losing this crucial mineral faster than food can replace it. What doctors call restless leg syndrome is often magnesium deficiency showing up as nighttime muscle spasms. Your natural melatonin production also starts declining. When sleep hormone levels drop, you experience lighter sleep, frequent wake-ups, and morning grogginess. The compounds in banana peel tea work with your remaining melatonin to deepen sleep cycles. Most critically, muscle mass begins declining after 40, a condition called sarcopenia. You lose 3 to 8% of muscle mass per decade after age 30, accelerating after 40. Here's where this tea becomes essential. The concentrated minerals support muscle protein synthesis during sleep, while vitamin B6 in the peel acts as a catalyst for protein absorption during REM cycles. You're literally rebuilding muscle while you rest, slowing age-related muscle loss. Here's something most people don't realize. Your stress hormone cortisol tends to stay elevated longer as you age. High cortisol at night prevents deep sleep and keeps your muscles tense. The magnesium in banana peel tea helps lower cortisol naturally, allowing your body to enter true rest and repair mode. Your circulation also changes after 4-50. Poor circulation means nutrients don't reach your muscles efficiently, and waste products build up, causing cramps and stiffness. The potassium in this tea helps improve circulation, ensuring your muscles get what they need to stay relaxed through the night. The digestive changes that happen after 4-sedity also matter here. Your stomach acid production decreases, making it harder to absorb minerals from food. But when you extract these minerals through boiling, they're in a form that's much easier for your aging digestive system to absorb and use. In just a moment, I'll show you the exact 10-minute preparation method that extracts maximum minerals without destroying them. But first, you need to understand how these 3 compounds work together in your brain to create the perfect sleep cocktail. Here's how these compounds work together to transform your sleep. When you drink banana peel tea about an hour before bed, you're delivering minerals that your nervous system craves. Magnesium acts as a natural sedative, binding to GABA receptors, the same ones that anti-anxiety medications target. Unlike prescription drugs, Magnesium works gently without next-day grogginess. Potassium works at the cellular level, helping muscle fibers release tension. When muscles truly relax, your nervous system gets the all-clear signal to enter deep sleep. This is why chronic muscle tension often causes insomnia. Tryptophan ties everything together. Your body converts it into serotonin, then melatonin. This conversion happens efficiently only when you have adequate magnesium and potassium levels. Timing matters enormously. An hour before bed gives compounds time to cross the blood-brain barrier. Too early, and effects wear off. Too late, and you'll wake up needing the bathroom. For people over 40, this addresses the root cause of poor sleep, mineral deficiency, and nervous system overactivity. Instead of masking symptoms, you're correcting the underlying imbalances that prevent restful sleep. Making this tea is simple, but precision matters. Start with 1 organic banana. Non-negotiable because you're consuming the peel. Wash the banana thoroughly, scrubbing gently with a vegetable brush to remove any surface residue. Cut off both ends, then slice the entire fruit, peel and all, into half-inch rounds for maximum mineral extraction. Bring 3 cups of water to a rolling boil, add banana slices, and reduce to a gentle simmer for exactly 10 minutes. This extracts maximum minerals without destroying beneficial compounds. Don't boil longer thinking you'll get more benefits. After 10 minutes, heat destroys the compounds you want. Remove from heat and steep for 5 minutes. Strain through a fine mesh strainer, gently pressing the pieces to extract mineral-rich liquid. Add raw honey or cinnamon for flavor, but avoid sugar or artificial sweeteners that interfere with sleep. The tea should taste mildly sweet with earthy undertones. If bitter, you've boiled too long. Drink warm, 1 hour before bedtime. Store leftovers refrigerated for up to 2 days, warming gently before drinking. Now comes the part that makes this truly life-changing. The permanent transformations that happen when you drink this consistently. I'm talking about changes to your nervous system that persist even if you stop the tea. Plus a complete reset of your body's mineral storage system. After drinking this tea consistently for several weeks, people notice changes that go far beyond better sleep. This is where the irreversible transformation begins. A complete systemic reset of your body's mineral balance and sleep architecture. Your nervous system undergoes a permanent rewiring. The consistent mineral delivery retrains your brain's sleep centers, strengthening your natural circadian rhythm. Even if you skip the tea occasionally, your improved sleep patterns persist because you fundamentally reset your nervous system's baseline. Your muscle recovery system transforms permanently. The nightly mineral infusion combined with deeper REM sleep creates an enhanced protein synthesis cycle. After 30 days, muscle fibers develop improved mineral storage capacity, making them naturally more resistant to cramping and age-related deterioration. The cardiovascular changes are lasting. Regular potassium intake helps reset blood pressure regulation, while magnesium improves heart rhythm variability. These changes become your new normal. Many people maintain improved cardiovascular markers even months after starting this routine. Your skin regeneration accelerates permanently. The antioxidants repair cellular damage and improve growth hormone production during deep sleep. People report fewer age spots and improved skin texture that persists because you've enhanced your body's natural repair mechanisms. Most significantly, your mineral absorption improves systemically. Your digestive tract adapts to better utilize dietary minerals from all sources, creating a positive feedback loop that maintains these benefits long-term. Here's the non-negotiable rule: organic or nothing. Conventional bananas are among the most heavily pesticide-treated fruits, and these chemicals concentrate in the peel. Boiling a conventional peel creates what's essentially a pesticide soup that cancels out any health benefits. Always choose organic bananas for this tea. The extra cost is worth avoiding the toxic load that could stress your liver and kidneys, organs that are already working harder after age 40. If you absolutely cannot find organic bananas, skip this remedy entirely rather than risk pesticide exposure. No sleep benefit is worth introducing concentrated chemicals into your system, especially when you're drinking this nightly. Never use bananas that show signs of mold, dark spots, or unusual discoloration. These could indicate bacterial contamination that won't be eliminated by boiling. Fresh, firm bananas with bright yellow peels work best. People with kidney disease should consult their doctor before trying this tea, as the high potassium content could be problematic for those with compromised kidney function. Similarly, if you're taking blood pressure medications, monitor your levels closely, as the potassium may enhance the effects of your medication. Start with half a cup of tea for the first few nights to see how your body responds. Some people are more sensitive to the natural compounds and might feel overly relaxed or slightly dizzy if they drink too much initially.